Okay, here's the potato cannon water launcher.
Where are you? Dad.
Hey, you spit on my hand.
If you please.
Let's see, where's the pressure there?
Thomas is
You want to shoot it, Grant?
pumping, putting water, air pressure, I mean, in the lower part.
Come on.
It's over 25.
All right, here's what
You might
do.
want to
You hold
shoot it
that in.
sooner or later.
Okay, prepare to watch the water come out of the top of the pipe.
Okay.
It's getting harder, isn't it?
I know.
Are we ready, Mom?
They're getting ready to launch it with the battery.
5, 4,
top of the cannon.
3, 2, 1. Fire!
Woo! That's awesome!
I know.
That's amazing.
Is that fun, Grant?
Yeah.
Rain